Okay, objectives of internal media. So communication mediums are so many. So understanding the employee audiences and the stakeholders and business objectives and outcomes to improve employee engagement. So equipping leaders and managers to shape employee behaviors and attitudes and drive business results. So choosing channels and messages that educate and inspire each employee to deliver on organizational goals. So measuring the effectiveness of internal communications to demonstrate ROI, a secure and a sustained investment and inform strategic planning. So internal media gives the like objectives for your internal communication work, how you might measure success. So internal media gives the satisfaction. So you would measure the impact of like how people are satisfied with your communication. If new relationships have gotten off to a bad start, creating a mistrust or fear or lack of cooperation, a solid internal communication plan can help repair some of that damage and improve tone and attitude over the time. And so through the internal media, it always like fun. So what do you wish some of your co-workers would differently on the regular? So this can be like as not leaving old food in the break room fridge to behaviors with a more serious implication. So as clear internal communications plan with the right messaging, so deliver to the right people in the right way at the right time, all hallmarks of good marketing decisions can bring about behavior changes. So internal media can also increase the participation level of the employees, whether you want staff to participate in a health and wellness plans or actively engage in certain meetings or collect and share stories from the field, getting people to do something they don't consider. So, as an essential part of their own jobs is often a challenge. So, you can increase a participation level with good internal communications so that the answers why now and why me questions. So, increasing participation is all about making the call to action more relevant for the staff person. And through the internal communication developing we can develop effective connection between the different units across the organization. So it also encouraging cooperation, empowering and teamwork, so exploiting synergies with the external public's systems of relations. So these are the objectives of internal media. So starting internal media, internal communications demands the creativity, insight, and dodginess that we devote to the external communications, our polished ads, our sticky websites, our timely media pitches. So internal communication is more than a morale a booster, although this is an ongoing priority and must never be dismissed. So effective communication is like crucial to the success and happiness of every kind of relationship in the workplace. So, internal communication strategy often speaks volumes about the health of the organization itself. So, how you can start your internal media? Buy-in for company initiatives and directions, acceptance and usage of a new systems and technologies. So interdepartmental cooperation, recruitment and retention, product knowledge and resultant sales. Controlling involves minimizing the negative effect caused by an event or series of events. So controlling the information released about employer and presenting the information in a best possible way. So we have to be monitors internal and external factors that might influence a public perception, lobbies for her employer and works closely with those in other marketing departments of the company. Occasional and special media rules of effective employee relations. Talk to employees with the same frequency. Pay as much attention to the employees whose interests are different from yours and those with whom you have more in common. Find something to appreciate about each employees, like you can appreciate your monetary benefits, and with their work you have to be appreciate your employees just to retain in the organization. Rotate less desirable jobs. When assigning a new task, follow criteria clearly defined and known to your employees. When assigning a new task, keep in mind opportunities for cross training and skills building. So, communicate your expectations of what is a fair workload for all the employees.